Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's lesson, we're going to look at some other operations as it concerns your table space. Specifically, we're going to look at how to rename data files and also to move data files. For this lesson, we'll also create another table space. And as usual, I've been able to put up the script on my SQL developer. So let's jump right in. Now I'll start by creating the table space TIS3, okay? And then this time I'll include the data file clause, give the location, and then the size of the data file. So let me quickly execute this statement. It says create table space TIS3 data file, and then you see the location and the size of the data file. So let's execute this. Table space TIS3 created. Now the next thing we want to try to do is to rename the data file. Okay, now remember we gave a name for the data file, which is this TIS3_01.dbf. So we want to rename it to TIS3_001.dbf. The difference is the first one is 01, while the second one is 001. So take note of the difference. We are renaming it from this to this. So for us to be able to do that, we'll use the alter database move data file command, and then we'll specify the location and then the name of the data file to the same location and then the new name. This is how it works. So let me quickly execute the statement. You can see database altered. So if we come to this location, app, Oracle, Data, ORCL, and then we come to the pluggable database folder, we'll be able to see the data file, TIS3_001. Okay, so let's go back to our SQL developer. Now, the next thing we want to try to do is to move this renamed data file to a different location. And for that, we will need to create a new folder, more or less a new directory, okay, in this path. So let's go back to our server and then create the directory. Say a new folder and then call it lab. Let's go back to our SQL developer. So again, we'll use the alter database move data file command, but this time around, we are moving the same file to a different location. Okay, so let's execute this and see how it goes. You can see database has been altered. Now, if we come back to our server, one of the things you observe is that you don't find that data file here again. You find it here in this folder lab. So this is where it is. Now, there are a few information I want you to take note of as regards moving data files. Now, the first one is you don't have to shut down the database or take the data file offline while you move a data file to another location. So the database can be open while you move your data file. Number two, if you have objects that are compressed while the data is being moved, the compression remains the same. And then the next thing I want you to know about moving data files is the fact that queries and data manipulation languages and data definition languages operations can be performed while the data file is being moved. So you can have your DML statements and your DDL statements go on while the data file is being moved. Guys, so these are some other operations concerning your table space. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was interesting to you. If it was, kindly like it and share it widely. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload another valuable content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.